In this video, we're going to look at how we post the purchase daybook into the purchase ledger. The purchase ledger is the book where we can calculate and record the amount of money that the business or organisation owes to each individual supplier. When we're posting to our purchase ledger, please note that we don't post the month-end totals. Instead, we're going to post information from each individual invoice that's been recorded in our purchase daybook. And also, we'll only be interested in the amounts recorded in the gross or total column, not from the VAT or net column. So let's have a look at how we would do this. I've got a postings list and we'll now start to complete this. So for each individual invoice in that purchase daybook, we're going to record the date of the invoice. We'll record the name of the supplier and sometimes the supplier reference as well, and the gross amount. Now the gross amount represents the amount by which the business's liabilities or amounts owing to its suppliers increase. And an increase in a liability is always recorded as a credit. So that £744 will be recorded on the credit side of our postings list. And we'll then do exactly the same thing for all of the other invoices received from suppliers. We've now completed our postings list, so we'll bring up the accounts that will be affected by these invoices in our purchase ledger. So we have the Mo's account, the Staten account, and the Vance account. Our first invoice on the 2nd of March from Staten will be transferred into the Staten account. We'll record the date of the invoice. We'll record the £744 on the credit side of that account. And in terms of the description, we'll use the invoice reference number that we use and record in the purchase daybook. And we'll do exactly the same thing for all of the other invoices. And that is how we post information from our purchase daybook into our purchase ledger.